Hiya folks. Wasn't meant to be here today. Sunday about 8 o'clock at night. I've been working in the garage. I thought I'll tidy it garage. So let me show you progress as it stands now. Yeah, I got a bit distracted trying to fit the units that are in the corner, because they've just been sort of shoved there and they've not been sort of levelled and actually fitted. So yeah, I've been trying to fit these units and I've ended up making a massive mess because I've emptied everything out that were in them as well. And I need some brackets and some screws, so I've come up to the plot, harvested a couple of courgettes. I'll show you those as well. Yeah, they're nice. That stripy Romanesco one's lovely, I must admit. But let me show you the state of the shed where I need to get these brackets from on the shelf. Oh dear. Oh, yeah, they're somewhere on here. Yeah, I brought up a load of no diggables, Anta, to put under the sheets on the other plot. Start feeding the worms and helping kill the weeds off a bit better and whatnot. And yeah, now I need to get to that shelf, don't I? Oh deario. I might just throw myself in there and see what happens. I've got yeah, got my brackets that I need and a little tub of random screws as well. Yeah, there we go. So brackets for doing my unit fitting, and I might as well take them home because I've been scratching around for screws of all different sizes, and I'll take them because I'm sure I can use some on this little project. We'll just have a check in the greenhouse as well, because it has been a bit sunny today, even though it's had a bit of a thunder and lightning and rained a lot. But let's just see if anything wants watering in here. Alright. This were meant to be sun gold, I was saying, weren't they? They were sort of oval shaped. I don't think that's a sun gold, do you? And they're not ripening right quick either. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. Hey up. First one's ripe. Yay. Is it a sun gold after all that? I don't think it is. Oh God. I think this one's meant to be though. I think this might have been the one that I grew from seed, because I only got one. Oh, I don't know. But yeah. Oh, lemongrass is growing well. Yeah, that's doing all right now, as long as it ain't couch grass, because you never know, do you? Yeah, let's say it's lemongrass. That's what the intention were anyway. And that there, that's meant to be a purple gusto. Oh, hang on, that's another plant. I was going to say he looks right shape, but yeah, he's a different plant. But this little skinny thing, oh, I think that's erroneous, that. I think it's another rogue one. Oh well, anyway. Oh, I best get that cucumber potted on. Crumbs, he's taken off. What's happening there? Never mind. Yeah, all looking all right. Yeah, that's a Corno di Toro Rosso, long red pointy thing. Loafer. Have you seen that, Mel? That's what it should be doing right about now. Yeah. Well, he's doing something, isn't he, anyway. Yeah, and this is me alleged California wonder. Yeah, tint is it? No way. So that wasn't me that messed that up. I think that were a bit of a seed packet error. Again, wrong thing in wrong packet from the supplier. But if it's a jalapeno or anything along the lines of, or you know, like a cayenne, oh, I don't really mind, kind of. Yeah, don't really mind. We'll see what it turns out to be. That's looking a bit more like a summit. I think that's a Corno di Toro Rosso, if I've said it right again, as well. Yeah. Aye, so getting very jungly in here. I've got to get more widgets put on these sticks, haven't I? 'Cause, yeah, I need my anti-eye poker outers. But yeah, we're all looking alright. And I must admit, I tipped some spring onion seeds there, the Ishikura. I've gone round and I've sort of randomised and chucked a few of these about. So yeah, they're popping up all over those, here and there. Are there any in there? No, I don't think so. But yeah, I have kind of spring onion bombed here and there. Yeah, in that corner there, my little Babinich and my Praces, if that's how you say it. My ones from me Polish plot neighbours. They're doing really well. He's all the way up here doing really well. Send him up this roof bit now. Yeah, coming on nice. Look at them. Oh, they got away from me. I didn't spot them. Crumbs. Oh, I need to be paying more attention. Wow. Who's he? I've forgotten. What's this one? I don't know. I'll check my little list and put it up on the screen. I don't know. I can't remember. And these are me Abraham Lincoln, which I was saying weren't doing so well, but anyway, they're getting away now, aren't they? The kind of belly button height sort of thing. If you're short like me, they are. Yeah. Oh, jungly. Yeah. I did trim Ali, Rusty Gardener, just before she says, I'm sure she will anyway. I did actually go through and I did trim a few of these leaves off, you know, sort of, you know, odd little stump here and there. I could do with doing a few more. I keep checking on them every time they have a bit of flush of growth. I do keep having a look and thinking, shall I trim a bit more off, just to help with the airflow. I mostly trimmed them from where they were going across towards each other. I'm not so bothered if they're coming forwards this way, that's okay, because, you know, they're only getting in my way, aren't they? Oh, he looks like he's bolting. I need to do some more basil. Yeah. But yeah, my little wicking system's working quite well, as you can see. Look at all those roots there coming down that cloth. And yeah, that one there, that alleged sun gold or whatever it is, looking like Rapunzel, isn't it, a little bit there? So yeah, almost like a half cracky system, I guess. But you know, they're doing what they do, aren't they? So yeah, not so bad in here. I don't think I need to water. Don't need to worry about it too much. Hang on, what's these up here? Oh, fennel. I'll put a little bit of water in this tray for these. I've got some more beetroot and I've forgotten. Oh, swede. Yeah, beetroot and a few more swede going on there. Yeah, just water that one. Oh yeah, my web's wonderful. They've bolted. Haha, look at him. Yeah, quite quick to bolt those when they get a bit of warmth. Lobjoit's Cos. Ooh, that's on its way, isn't it? Looking at that pale bit there. Yeah, I took one of these home the other day. It was huge. I'll show you a picture just in case you don't follow Instagram. Get rid of this dude here. Oh, if I can get him. Come on. Oh, chuck him over there. That's right. Yeah, I'll leave me Instagram link in the description box. Just have a look. So we're, well, I mean, I've shown it, haven't I now? But yeah, I keep putting stuff up on Instagram as well, you know, bits to do with plot and whatnot. So if you don't follow along and you've got Insta, give us a follow maybe. Don't these look lovely as well, these Zabroon Shallots from last year, early last year. I think it was end of January when I sowed these. And look at them now, flowering, sort of like 18 months later pretty much, and I think they're lovely. I think they're worth just growing for the flowers. They're fab. Yeah, and I like the habit. I like how they're all sort of snaky and whatnot. They look quite fun. Almost like little planets. Yeah, they're cute, those. Yeah, so just a right little update, just what I've been doing today, because it's not been much regarding the garden, but it's a means to an end. So, thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye!